Recently I had a client come into my office. She was split from her ex, and DCF was BS at her ex for a bunch of different reasons. And during the investigation, they spoke to my client, the mother, and she wasn't represented by me at that time. And she met with DCF, and she got what I call diarrhea of the mouth. She told them everything, full disclosure. DCF never told her she was being investigated, never said she was being investigated, never gave her a parent's pamphlet or a letter saying, you're being investigated for neglect by DCF. So at the end of the investigation, they sent her a letter saying, oh, by the way, we supported this against you for neglect. Nothing more, nothing less. And she's like, what? Huh? I was never told that. So now here's the problem. She goes through this dog and pony show with DCF and completely cooperates with them, takes all their phone calls, meets with them, lets them see their children, pediatrician, everything under the sun, and yet DCF never tells her that she's being investigated. And therefore she had no opportunity to defend herself, to give evidence and information that could have offset what DCF was alleging later on, that she was neglectful. Well, make a long story short, once she hired us, we filed for a fair hearing, wrote to the powers that be, and they took another look at it, much to their credit. And DCF reversed, unsupported, and overturned the decision. When you're involved with DCF, make sure that you get it in writing from DCF. And if you don't get it in writing from them, then you write to them saying, I'm meeting with you, but under the auspices that I'm not being investigated. I have nothing to worry about. You're not going to later file neglect or abuse against me, and I'm going to fully and completely cooperate with you. And for you to support anything against me at a later time is a violation of my due process rights, and that would be wrong. So please, if you're investigating me, let me know, and if you're not, that's fine too. That way, you put DCF on the hook. You protect your due process rights, your U.S. constitutional rights, and more importantly, the rights of your children. The last thing you want is to support a decision. That's the first step that opens the door to DCF to file for what's called a care and protection, remove your children and place your children into foster care, in a foster home with a complete stranger called a foster parent. Do not allow that to happen under any circumstances.